Hello everyone. So my name is Xiao. I'm the founder of Athena AI. And Athena AI, we develop a series of Gen AI application. And one of our new tool is called Athena Autopilots. So who here already use a browser agent such as ChatGPT Atlas? That's good. So you guys already understand how the agent, browser agent works. So which is going to make my presentation easier, definitely. So Athena AI, we started as just a regular chat application, then we expand into AI whiteboard, the AI agent, and Autopilot is specifically for browser agent. So we've been developing browser agent for the past, I think, 6 months. Like before the release of Comet and GPT Atlas. So yeah, and we accumulated a community of over 2 million users so far across our products. So Athena Autopilot is a browser agent that can automate most of your browser tasks. So yeah, it can be basically just describe what do you want, and it will run autopilot for you on your own computer. So what is the advantage of Athena Autopilot over ChatGPT Atlas? Number one is you can run it for a longer period of time. So if you ever try Atlas, each task you can run about 20 to 30 minutes max. But with Athena Autopilot, you can run it for 10 hours. For example, if you want a task that sign up for event for you, I use it to sign up for Toronto Tech Week, and the task took like 3 hours because there's like 1,000 events. Oh no, actually no. For Toronto Tech Week, there's 300 events. For NYC Tech Week, there were 1,000 events. So you can fill the form for you, you can apply for you can register for the event for you. That's just one use case. You can use it for linking automation as well. For example, sending connection requests, that's another use case. And more recently, I use it for video production. So I ask it to control another chat application. It can be Gemini, ChatGPT, or Athena AI. And I ask you to do deep research, which is just a regular search online, come up with ideas, and make joke of the latest news, for example, and then produce the video for me on autopilot. So yeah, again, this is, I think my slides is really small, but I also want to show you my video over here. I think this is one, yes?
AI-powered task runner that works while you sleep. Unlike other AI agents that time out or stall, Athena Autopilot can run tasks continuously for hours, even days, without interruption. Use case examples. Let's say we want to go rafting. Give the autopilot a description, such as in our example. Autopilot will show you all the steps it goes through, and finally, it will give you the result that you are looking for. Let's do something different. Let me show you how you can create a new agent. Put in your name here. Describe what it does. Let's say, in this case, we want to open TikTok and like 100 videos and follow the accounts that have more than 5,000 followers. Select your agent's avatar, give it setup requirements, and create the agent. The agent will give you updates every step of the way while following your instructions. As you can see in this next example, we did the same exact thing, but with Twitter, Athena runs locally on your machine. That means no cloud lock-in, better privacy, and less chance of getting blocked by Cloudflare or social platforms. Your data stays yours. Most agent tools charge up to $200 a month. Athena Autopilot lets you bring your own API key, saving you hundreds. All you have to do is hit run and let Athena handle the heavy lifting. Athena Autopilot is launching now. Try it free, automate smarter, and let your AI run on autopilot. Meet Athena
Yeah, when I say it's free because you can bring your own API key, and we try with Gemini's API key, which you can use the Gemini Pro 2.5 Pro and 2.5 Flash for free, and you actually can run a decent amount of tasks before it hits the rate limits. So that's another advantage, is because we are way more affordable compared to any other agentic tool, because you can use it with a free API key, and our monthly fee for using the software is only $6 per month. So yeah, like let me know if you are interested to try out and automate your daily tasks. Thank you.
Do we have any questions for Athena AI?
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
So my question is, with a lot of these agentic tools, the paradigm is kind of like everything the tool is doing goes to the history, and then it becomes part of the context, and so it like continuously grows. So my question is, you say you can run this for like hours or even days. I'm wondering, is there like a different paradigm of how you use LLMs to do agentic AI?
Yes, because we have agent-to-agent protocols, right? So one of the drawback you mentioned is the agent will max out its context. That's what happened with most agents, including ChatGPT Atlas. So that's why it stopped. It doesn't tell you that it's run out of context. It just say I cannot do the task anymore, but behind the scene it run out of the context window. So what we did is we passed the progress of the first agent to the second agent. So we identify what is a KPI of this task, and then for, let's say like you need to take the TikTok example, you need to follow like 100 relevant accounts, but the first agent only follow 50 of them. When before the context window maxed out, we stop the first agent. We say, okay, this is your progress. You did like 50 out of 100, and now pass your progress to the second agent. So the first agent will prompt the second agent with its progress. So that, and of course with the original prompt as well. So of course this is not easy. So that's why we took like 6 months to do that. So yeah, a lot of tweaking and play around with different agentic tools as well, agentic frameworks.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
I have a question. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, so basically, from a purely non-technical background, just in regards to the social media aspect of it, do you think it has the potential for like changing the narrative on certain issues, like through like almost like these like propaganda machines, like mass comment or mass like certain topics?
I would say do not do, like I see people using automation AI to do comments, but I would not recommend that because AI, like the AI messaging, it still looks like AI at the end of the day, because you can do things like request connection, like no harmful action, right? Requesting connection, liking other people post, right? Those kind of things doesn't pollute the social media, because commenting, like those are like spamming, right? And also DMing, those are harmful on the social media. Liking other people's posts, nobody gonna complain about you liking their post, right? Even if it's by like automation. So you just generate more engagement for the post. So I'd say like I wouldn't recommend to do commenting, like the commenting or DMing. Those are more harmful because AI messages still looks AI-ish. But those like action like sending connection requests, liking posts, those are no harmful content in any way, so you can automate that. And LinkedIn, to be honest, they wouldn't, like LinkedIn and most social media platform, if you're running the agent locally using your own IP, they wouldn't recognize it. And usually, whenever they show a reCAPTCHA, the agent can simply stop and calling you to solve the reCAPTCHA. So yeah, I'd say, but then if you are posting comments and the platform is able to detect the comments AI or not, just for example, looking at how many M-dash you have in the text, where there's other way to do that, right? So it's harder for the social media to even detect you using AI, even if you just liking posts or sending connection requests.
What about for generating content?
For generated content, I think it's more like video content, right? So for video content, I think most platforms actually embrace AI GC. That's actually a term that TikTok came up with. Like you have UGC, PGC, and AI GC. I went to a talk hosted by TikTok. They actually encourage to do that, rather like discourage of doing that. Of course, they're saying don't do just only AI GC. Use a mix of UGC, PGC, and AI GC. Right. So, and by the way, I'm very active on social media. So I'm a TikToker, and now I'm also starting a YouTube channel. So if you have any question on content creation, let me know as well.
All right, let's give a big round of applause for Athena AI.